In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard. All lessons have the whiteboard feature included. I uploaded a presentation when I created this lesson to help us. First, here's the whiteboard toolbar. This controls all the features of the whiteboard. We have the hand button that hides all the different whiteboard drawing and writing tools. The arrow undoes the last annotation you did. The bin removes all annotations on the whiteboard, and the whiteboard image gives users in the lesson access to the whiteboard functions. More on that later. You can find the pen tool in the expanded toolbar. It's the one that looks like a pencil. The pen tool works like your regular whiteboard pen. It allows you to write and draw on your presentation. You can change the pen thickness, colour, and you'll see the same undo and remove options as before. The pen tool is great for annotating your slides. You could use it to explain question answers or highlight and underline text passages. Next, let's look at drawing shapes. Go to Tools and you'll see the option for drawing a rectangle, triangle or ellipse. Let's draw a triangle. You can then go back to your pen tool and annotate your shape. You can also use the text tool, ideal if you want to write in length on your whiteboard. You can change the font size and colour as with the pen tool. You can hide the whiteboard using the blue box in the top corner and then get it back again by clicking on the blue screen in the bottom corner. You can allow the pupils in your lesson to use the whiteboard features by clicking the multi-user whiteboard button on the toolbar. This will give your pupils access to all of the whiteboard tools. You can see there are now 2 whiteboards on the button. This is a great resource for one-to-one tutors and small groups, but may not be ideal for bigger classes. The multi-user whiteboard is controlled by the teacher and there is no obligation to use it. If you want to use a whiteboard on a blank page like I have here, then either upload a presentation with blank slides or add blank slides onto the end of your written presentation.